Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikki and in today's video we are going to review some products from the Unicorn Cosmetics. I have bought 3 glitter. So I'm trying to find this glitter right here on their site, but I can't find it. What the hell? So that's a little bit strange, I don't know. So I bought 3 shades, as you can see, 3 shades of glitter. I tried to find in the side exact shade name and stuff like that, but I can't find anything in the side. What the hell? Yeah, but why though? What? Why? Do I need to be scared? What the hell? So I also bought these 2 beautiful, as you can see, this is the one and this is the other one. So I really like those 2. I haven't tried the glitter, so I thought to myself, let's do a video together, but now I'm kind of scared. Why did they sell out? What the hell? Okay. So I bought the blue one. Look how beautiful it is. I'm going to swatch all of them in my hand, so don't worry about it. The green one also, look, they are very beautiful. And I also bought a gold one, but because the packaging they don't have the thingy that you need to pull, so it's a little difficult because I have nails. And this is the gold one. They are stunning, but I'm not gonna lie, I didn't expect to not be in their side. Like, why? Is there something wrong with the product? So yeah, this is the green one, the blue one and the gold one. They don't have shades, so I don't really know how to call them. But yeah, it's the first time that I'm going to play with them. But it's a first for me to buy glitter, because I love glitter, but I don't like this kind of glitter, and I don't know how it's going to perform in my eyes. In one eye I'm going to use the blue one, and in the other one I'm going to use the green one. As you can see, I am okay with my eyes, but I changed my mind, and in this eye I'm going to use the gold one. I'm taking the blue one. I mean, beautiful. So now I'm going to use the yellow one, and this is why I don't like this kind of glitter. But damn, it's gorgeous. Ooh. I want to put a little bit under my eye. I'm going to use this kind of brush, and I'm going in the blue one. But if you already know that you are going to use glitter, you know that it's going to be messy and you will have glitter all over your face. But this is the beauty of it, right? Except when it's glitter in the tub. Boy, that's another story. Or when the glitter falls down. Damn. Now I'm going to put a little bit mascara and maybe lashes, and I will be right back. For the 2 lip glosses, as you can see, I'm going to swatch it in my hand. They are very, very beautiful, and they are kind of duochrome, so this is perfect. I usually wear them without anything underneath. This is the pink one. Now the other one, it's called Moonshine. And it's like this without, anything underneath it. But maybe if you buy it, it might be a different thing in your lips, because we have different undertones and different skin color and stuff like that. I usually take a lip liner and I'm doing my lips, and after I put usually this one. So I'm going to use from Dusty Cream the Mauve Peak lip liner. It's a very beautiful color. And I'm going to take this one and I'm going to apply it in the middle. And you are done. What do you guys think? So yeah guys, this was for today. I really liked and I recommend this kind of lip gloss. I forgot to tell you that they came in this beautiful packaging, a triangle. I really liked it, because you also see the packaging when you buy something. And the glitter, I really like them. They seem like they stay. Yeah, they seem that like they stayed in the place that I put them. But with the glitter you also have a little bit of fallout and stuff like that. But just try and do something like this and maybe you are going to be saved. But yeah, glitter is glitter. I think the next thing that I'm going to buy from them, it's their eyeshadow palette. So if you want me to review this, you can tell me in the comments below. You can also subscribe to my channel if you want and push that notification button. And yeah, I think that this was for today. I hope you like it. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.